Hi, this is michellesam from Sammy Wong's Kitchen. Today I am going to be showing you how to make soy sauce chicken. Now this recipe actually comes from a very good family friend of mine who decades ago we attended this church in Glendale, California, and each Sunday a fellowship was responsible for cooking the meal for the entire church. This family friend and her husband's fellowship were a little older than us. We were the newly married fellowship, and they got the more interesting meal, and their dish was the soy sauce chicken, and our fellowship was responsible for the mapo tofu. Needless to say, their fellowship was really able to fine-tune the soy sauce chicken, and we did the same for the mapo tofu. So soy sauce chicken requires a lot of soy sauce, and thankfully, knowing my family friend, we were going home with gallons of the soy sauce, which we used for other dishes. So what I'm going to do is not only show you how to make soy sauce chicken, but there are other recipes that I have that will utilize the soy sauce mixture. So there is the marbled soy sauce eggs, and those are delicious when the eggs are cooked perfectly. In addition to that, I also have 5-spice beef, or a braised pork belly that uses the soy sauce mixture. So let's get started. So for the soy sauce chicken, we'll need a whole chicken, washed and cleaned. This one's about a 5-pound chicken. We will then need some light soy sauce, and the light soy sauce is light in color, not the low sodium soy sauce. Dark soy sauce, sugar, some water, and for the spices, we'll need 5-spice powder, star anise, and cinnamon stick. Now, the saucepan that we're going to use is a saucepan that is fairly deep, but just big enough to fit the chicken in so that it is snug in the pot and minimizes the amount of sauce that we are going to be needing. So let's get started on the process. Okay. In my saucepan, I'm going to place my washed chicken right in there, and then I'm going to take water and fill the chicken with water until it is completely submerged in the pot. And once it's completely submerged, I'm going to take my chicken out and I'm going to pour the water into a large measuring container. And that's about 6 cups. What I'm going to do is halve the amount of water and pour 3 cups into the saucepan. Pour the 3 cups here, and then take my light soy sauce and put the exact same amount into the saucepan. So I'm going to take 3 cups. I'm going to pour my 3 cups of light soy sauce into my saucepan, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, which is less than half of the amount of soy sauce that was required. 3 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce for color. Make the chicken a little darker. Then I'm going to add the 5-spice powder, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that, or a little less. Add that there. And forgot to mention, we do need ginger slices, so we add ginger slices, the anise, and the cinnamon stick. And what we're going to do is stir this and put this on the stove until it comes to a boil. Okay, so when the soy sauce mixture starts to boil, stir the mixture to ensure that the sugar has all dissolved, and then slowly place your chicken into your pot with the breast side down. And if you want to completely submerge the chicken, a trick is to place a saucer right on top of the chicken and it'll go down. So what we're going to do now is just wait for the sauce to simmer. When it barely starts to simmer and you can see the bubbles, place the lid onto the saucepan, reduce your heat to a simmer, and allow this to cook for 20 minutes with the lid on. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat, do not open the lid, and allow this to poach or cook for an additional hour. Now that it has poached with no heat for an hour, I'm going to open up the lid and test the internal temperature. So get this out. And with a instant read thermometer, I'm going to place it into the thickest part of the chicken, and it should read between 160 and 165 Fahrenheit. So it is cooked, and what I'm going to do is remove it from the pot and allow it to cool before I cut it. I'm going to just flip it over so that the breast side is up. Here is your soy sauce chicken. Allow the chicken to cool before chopping. Enjoy. More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com or social media. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks!